Rob. What's going on, man?
Hey man, how you been?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Man, I am living the dream, brother, thanks to you.
Okay. Tell me about it.
Yeah, my life has completely turned around in only 6 months thanks to you showing me that about that hedge fund company that does the trading for me and shares the profits.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, I am excited. And even though it's not required, I took full advantage of that team and community building side. And I've been reaching out to a lot of family and friends. They think I'm the Warren Buffett of the city. I love it.
Hey, man, I know that feeling. When I was starting to make money, I felt the same way.
I hear you. Yeah, Warren Buffett, he may be older and own more companies, but I definitely got better pole dancing moves. You know what I mean?
Rob, we gonna keep you off that pole. You making money now, okay?
Hey, as long as you keep making me money, I'll stay off that pole. And my wealth strategist, the guy that you set me up with, he's been beyond amazing. He helped me with a lot of my credit issues and other financial decisions that I had along the way. So this whole thing has just been amazing. So actually, I want to go ahead and if we could schedule time, I would like to take you out to lunch and just to say thank you, like appreciation, also bounce some other financial ideas off you if I could.
Okay, yeah, man, you name the time and the place.
All right, well, it seems like Thursday at 4 has always been our ring, so how about next Thursday at 4 o'clock?
Hey, man, that'll work good.
All right, boss, I'll see you then.
All right, now. Talk to you later. Bye.
Hey, man. Good to see you, Mr. Eric. How you been?
Hey, man, you already know.
I know. Man, I'm trying to tell you, I've done legally changed my name from Big Rob to Big Money Rob. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is coming. I'm so excited now. I did want to run some ideas by you over this meal that I got for you, just out of appreciation.
Hey, man, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, anytime. Now I got the money to do it, I could actually do it, you know what I'm saying? So I want to liquidate my 401k, my bank account, get all my wife's money out of her purse, you know what I'm saying, and put it into this hedge.
Okay, wait.
What?
Wait. This is me pumping the brakes, man.
But I mean, if you're going to go all in, go all in, you know what I'm saying? I mean, why wouldn't you?
All right, so look. So see, now that you got money, you got to learn a couple things, all right?
Okay.
We cannot put all of our eggs into one basket. We got to diversify some things. Got to.
We do? Okay.
Yes, we got to. So let me ask you a question. Do you have insurance on yourself? Life insurance?
through my job, yeah.
You ever heard of cash value life insurance?
Isn't that where the cash value go to the person that when you die, the beneficiary, they get cash in their hand and they go on cruises or whatever, right? That's how it works.
That's the general concept of how insurance works. But with cash value life insurance, you literally get to be your own bank. Well, that cash that you're building up, that cash actually, you can draw from it and take money out from it, okay? And it's tax-free.
I'm sorry, tax-free?
Tax-free, and it keeps pace with inflation. So year after year after year, when you draw from that money, you keep paying your premiums. It's a win-win, man. And you can do that indefinitely.
You said the magic words, tax-free.
Right. So see, these are some of the things that I need to talk to you because you're making the money now. You Big Money Rob. But we got to make sure your money is sustainable now, okay?
So like a legacy kind of thing.
Correct, right. We want to make sure that all the little Big Money Robs after you get to still live and enjoy this money. But man, much success, man.
Yeah,
I'm loving it. So when's the last time you talked to your wealth strategist?
I talked to him about last week, but it was more over the credit thing that we were talking about and where I'm at with that. We haven't gotten to the insurance part that we talked about before. So
see, there's different levels with your wealth strategist. So when it comes to family wealth, there's so many different levels, right? Okay. So we've got your credit, that has improved. Yeah. Your finances have improved.
Absolutely.
But now we need to say, well, what's Rob going to do with all that finances that he's making? This is just another strategy. Okay. So what I want you to do is get with your wealth strategist and figure out how else you can diversify that money, okay? Because now that you're a part of this community, you're making money, your life has changed.
I love this
Remember the first time we met? Things are totally different now.
It was rough, Right. It's changed so much. And the community that I'm involved with Family Wealth is amazing. Like, it's the best monthly investment I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, so we're gonna get you to diversify that money you're making now, okay?
Okay, that's going real good.
Well, now we gotta make sure we're covering your family so that when you have the little mini Big Money Robs, they can be covered and we don't have to worry about taxes and all that stuff. You can become the bank infinitely.
Wait, I can go to CEO of Bank of Rob? That's what I'm talking about.
Bank of Rob, exactly.
Yeah.
Right.
So, okay, and it's something that my wealth strategist can go over?
Absolutely, man.
That's the best monthly investment I've ever done right there. That wealth strategist is on point. All right, well, I appreciate it, Eric. I look forward to it, man. Thanks a lot.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thanks. Yeah.